Да, вдох, выдох. Все. Это не больно. Просто только. И на меня просто опускайся.
Did you just saw this video? How fucking insane it is. This is, I don't know how to call this. This is like murder in the camera, slowly. It's like a Russian roulette. If this person hit that guy, the girl and guy with this hammer in the spine, he don't have any idea what he's doing. He's not even close to he don't have a medical degree because the spine is so unique and you have to be time to learn about this. I'm 100% sure he's not doing any x-ray and anything like this because this people is dangerous. So stay away from this. This is dangerous. It can kill you. Be smart about your health, okay? Go to professional. Do some testing. Do some MRI, X-ray. Know your spine because it's important. Do not wait to the last moment. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself. Stay healthy. Bye-bye.